Introducing Leopard Imaging's Dragonfly Series. High-performance USB 3.0 YUV cameras powered by Sony image sensors. The Dragonfly series features two new advanced USB 3.0 camera options: the IMX676 for high-resolution imaging and the IMX258 for full HD clarity with autofocus. Both cameras integrate USB 3.0 controller, delivering stable low-latency YUV output for embedded vision applications. The IMX676 model is equipped with Sony's Starvis 2 1/1.6-inch CMOS color sensor, offering high resolution and excellent performance in various lighting conditions. The IMX258 model features Sony's 13-megapixel CMOS sensor and an inbuilt high-performance ISP tuned for superior image quality, vivid color reproduction, and adaptive performance in changing lighting. It also supports high-resolution and fast, versatile autofocus. Whether it's IMX676, delivering crisp high-resolution detail, or IMX258, delivers up to 13 megapixels, JPEG stills, or full HD 30 frames per second YUV video, with autofocus optimized for 1080p streaming. The Dragonfly series meets diverse vision requirements. Designed for robotics, drones, smart logistics, and inspection, Leopard Imaging's USB 3.0 YUV cameras provide the imaging foundation for next-generation embedded systems. Learn more about the Dragonfly series and Leopard Imaging's full portfolio of imaging solutions on our website. Leopard Imaging, advancing embedded vision.